I'm back on the overhang and I'm ready to put in the other two braces. So I decided not to put it on the corner molding. Just going to put it just inside of that. And Amy thought it looked better and I agreed. So I didn't have a long enough board to go to the ground, so after a couple of minutes I thought of this. Put the ladder up there because I had to pry this end up. Now, the reason I felt I had to pry it up is because if you look up there compared to the siding and compared to the roof edge, this looks parallel. Now, when I take the level up there, it says that this side's a little high. But if anything, it could come down a little bit after I put the support in. Plus, I want to go by the look. So, plus, what if that level isn't perfect? It's a short level. I haven't used it before. I just got it. It wasn't brand new. It's a used one. Someone else had it. So I haven't really tested it. So I'm not going to bank on that one. This looks really even right now compared to the roof line, compared to the siding. So I'm going to go with it. I'm going to go ahead and put my two supports in, and then I should be able to remove that board and it should stay. So sometimes you have to go by what looks best. And I keep walking around, and this is what I feel looks best. It could come down maybe a touch, but not much. And it probably will come down a touch once I put that support in. Okay, let's screw it in.